Okay, let's figure this out for just P first. I mean, on these problems, I feel like you really need to mind your P's and Q's. Ha, ha, oh, sorry. Okay, so the formula we're going to use, by the way, is E is KQ over R squared, right? Okay, so let's figure out, I'm going to call this charge A and this one B. At point P, let's find E of A. Notice that A is a positive charge, so the E of A is going to be away from it, right? Because a positive charge would create electric field away from itself. Notice that charge B is a negative charge, and so the electric field due to B is going to be toward B. Okay, so EB will be that way because electric fields are toward negative charges. So let's figure out A first, though. So A is going to be 8.99 E9, and the E here just means times 10 to the, right? A is 4.5, and then micro is E minus 6. And then our radius, our distance to A is 12. Don't forget to square that. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. 8.99 E9 times 4.5 E minus 6 divided by 12 squared. This is 280.9375. 0.9375, and that is to the left. And it's to the left because it's away from the positive charge. Away, run away. Okay, now EB is going to be 8.99 E9. That's times 10 to the 9th, right? And then this guy is 5.3 E minus 6. Notice I don't put the minus sign in there because then I'll be like, is it negative toward or anyway? Okay, but really we've already done the minus sign here. Okay, the default direction for this is away. So what I could do, I guess, in this situation, put a minus there and say toward that charge, right? So a negative electric field in a case like this means just toward the charge. We've already done that. Toward that charge, we'll make it to the right. Okay, and then how far away is this guy? Well, it's 12 plus 23. And that's it. 12 plus 23. All right, 12 plus 23, and we got to square that. We can do that. Okay, so let's go, boom. Let's change this to, it's 5.3. And then I got an experiment here. I'm gonna go parentheses. There we go. Okay, 12 plus 23 squared. Hopefully it won't do its bizarre thing. There we go. Okay, so I'm getting that this is 38.89.8955, and these are newtons per coulomb, and this is to the right. Okay, so when I figure out the electric field at P, I'm going to make things to the left negative and things to the right positive and just add them together. So I'm going to say the opposite of 280.9375 plus 38.8955. So the opposite of the first one I got, which is that guy, plus the not opposite of the other one, and I'm getting 242 negative equals negative 242. Right, so the fact that it's negative means that it's to the left. I will, if you label it negative to the left, I'm not going to interpret that as to the right, I promise. Okay, really probably the least confusing thing is to actually just say 242 newtons per coulomb to the left.